So these are the dogs. Eva, 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 come here. There you go. Hi, Eva. We got Eva, and then we got Wally over there. King of the hill. Blah blah blah. It's too hot, so I have to AC on. Wally likes to play with that ball, but mostly with this ball. This ball right here. This used to be my ball. It's your ball now. You stole my ball. Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. So, yeah, this ball does. You know what? Why don't we try getting a better angle with this? Oh, well, that failed. That failed completely. This is his favorite one. I don't know which one's his favorite, but this one, he enjoys this one a lot. He enjoys this one a lot. He's a cute little squeaky. She doesn't like our video. She doesn't like our video taken, do you? Okay, so, yep. You are gonna be the best one. There. Yay, good dog. Good puppy. And now he's gonna walk back over here. The ball is gonna be stuck in his mouth. No? You're not gonna give it a ball back? Okay. Well, I don't know if he's gonna go somewhere with that, but this one doesn't like her video being taken. Every time I do this, watch. She just walks away. She just walks away. Eva, come here. You can't be on that side. Eva. 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 She doesn't like her video being taken. She just shows her butt to me. It's not nice. Okay. Well, do you like being your video taken, don't you? Come here. You know what? Let's play some more. Come here, Brian. Come here. Eva, come here. I won't show the video of you anymore. Come here, Eva. Eva, come here. Yep. She's a cuter one. Let's see. She doesn't like her video being taken, even though I'm doing it right now. This one's adorable. That one's the white one. Wally, Eva, and the guy behind the camera. Me. Oh, you like belly well, don't you? Okay. I'm not a fan of dolls. I'm not a fan. These two, I'm fine with for right now. I want a slightly bigger doll. You two are too small. You two are too small. You two are adorably small. That means something bad can happen. I'm gonna toss this again. Look at it. Eye on the ball. Yeah. I failed that. I failed the city. Well, I'm probably gonna look how cute this one is. Eva. Eva. Papa. Wally. You wanna play more? It's hot out. I'm waiting for this place to cool down because someone put on air dry mode on air conditioner right there. I don't know who the idiot was, but they're gonna get them. They're gonna get a mean puppy going right at their crotch or their butt. And you're tired, so I want to let you sit there and relax while I sit here and watch you guys until my mother comes home. Yep. Everybody loves puppies.